Your first question is, which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Article 15, C. Article 17, and option D. Article 19. Your correct answer is C. Article 17. Your second question is, the concept of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from. Your options are A. USA, B. Russia, C. UK, and option D. France. Your correct answer is B. Russia. Your third question is, who was the first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state? Your options are A. Sucheta Kriplani, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Sarojini Naidu, and option D. Mayawati. Your correct answer is A. Sucheta Kriplani. Your fourth question is, the largest producer of coffee in India is. Your options are A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Andhra Pradesh. Your correct answer is B. Karnataka. Your fifth question is, which is the oldest mountain range in India? Your options are A. Himalayas, B. Aravalli, C. Satpura, and D. Vindhya. Your correct answer is B. Aravalli. Your sixth question is, the Green Revolution in India was associated with which crop? Your options are A. Rice and wheat, B. Cotton, C. Tea, and D. Maize. Your correct answer is A. Rice and wheat. Your seventh question is, who was the first Indian to become President of the International Court of Justice? Your options are A. B. N. Rao, B. Nagendra Singh, C. R. S. Pathak, and D. Dalveer Bhandari. Your correct answer is B. Nagendra Singh. Your eighth question is, who is the author of the book Wealth of Nations? Your options are A. Karl Marx, B. John Keynes, C. Adam Smith, and D. David Ricardo. Your correct answer is C. Adam Smith. Your ninth question is, the White Revolution in India was led by. Your options are A. Dr. Verghese Kurian, B. M. S. Swaminathan, C. Norman Borlaug, and D. Rajendra Singh. Your correct answer is A. Dr. Verghese Kurian. Your 10th question is, who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Your options are A. P. T. Usha, B. Karnam Malleshwari, C. Mary Kom, and D. Saina Nehwal. Your correct answer is B. Karnam Malleshwari. Your 11th question is, which Indian state has the largest forest cover by area? Your options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Chhattisgarh, and D. Odisha. Your correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. Your 12th question is, who gave the slogan Dilli Chalo? Your options are A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Bhagat Singh, and D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Your correct answer is A. Subhash Chandra Bose. Your 13th question is, who was the first Indian to win the Bharat Ratna? Your options are A. M. G. Gandhi, B. S. Radhakrishnan, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, and D. Rajendra Prasad. Your correct answer is B. S. Radhakrishnan. Your 14th question is, which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Your options are A. Part 2, B. Part 3, C. Part 4, and D. Part 5. Your correct answer is B. Part 3. Your 15th question is, the Simon Commission came to India in which year? Your options are A. 1928, B. 1930, C. 1935, and D. 1942. Your correct answer is A. 1928.